Alright, hi everyone, it's time for our science class. Okay? Alright, so let's move on to our next one. Oh. Okay. Now, lesson one, let's talk about key direction. First, let's take a look at the picture. What is in the picture?
Ice cream.
Yes, this is ice cream and it is doing what? It is doing what? What is the ice cream doing? Or what is the ice cream? Yes, very good. Melting 或者说融化 ，OK 吗 ？It's melting because of it's kind of hot, okay? But what is making the temperature kind of hot or temperature kind of high or high, okay? What is making the temperature going higher so you feel hot? What is making the temperature going higher so you feel hot? The sun, very good. So as you can see, there's sunlight and there's an ice cream in someone's hand. Right. And it is doing what? It is doing melting, very good. So the ice cream is melting. Let's move on to the next one. And what is in the picture? Yes, as you can see, there is something called campfire. And what is other than the campfire? Tree, where's the tree? Where's the tree? There's no tree, but there's something green. What is in there, and that's green? Grass, very good, that's grass. Okay, that's not a tree, okay? There's no tree in the picture, right? Okay, so beside the campfire and the grass, and is there anything else besides those? What? Earth, okay, there's earth, or as we can call dirt, is that okay? Or maybe soil. And other than that, what is farther? What is farther in the view? Yes, there's seashore and there's an ocean. Okay? And what is on the picture? There's a cup and there is maybe a teapot, okay? As we can call candles, okay? And let's back to the campfire. If you are camping and you feel cold, what can you do to raise the temperature at your campsite? What can you do so you can raise the temperature at the campsite like this? Make what? Make a campfire. Very good. So you can make a campfire and then sit closer to the campfire so you can feel warm. Is that okay? All right? Very good. Let's move on. Now, what is this? Yes, very good. It's called 暖气 and it's also an electric heater. Now, repeat after me, please. Electric heater.
Electric heater.
So the word electric actually means it is run by electricity. Is that okay? So if there is a light, you can call it electric light. Is that okay? So if the heater is run by gas, you burn down gas so you can make more heat. It is called gas heater. Is that okay? There's something called gas heater. Like our alcohol burner, you burn gas to make a fire to keep warm. Is that okay? So beside electric, there's also a gas heater. What does a heater do? What does a heater do? What is a heater and what does a heater do? You can what? Yes, very good. It can keep you warm. Is that okay? If you feel cold, and then you will use a heater, whether it's an electric heater or a gas heater, to keep you warm. Is that okay? All right. All right. Let's move on. Now, you cannot actually see from the picture, so let's say the word like gas burning stove. Repeat after me, please. Gas burning stove.
Gas burning stove.
Okay? Gas, as I have said, is something you can burn. Is that okay? Like an alcohol, gas can be burned. Can anyone tell me what gas is? What is gas? What is gas? Beside, as we can call gas station, and beside that, when you go to a gas station, what do you fill in as a fuel? Yes, very good. 我们叫做油，有时候用的呢是石油，但 gas 我之前讲过非常多意思，在这边呢也包含天然气或者是瓦斯 ，OK 吗？那我们去加油站加的呢，你是加天然气还是加瓦斯吗？不是，那你加什么？石油或汽油 ，OK 吗？那柴油也有，那柴油还有另外一个字，来这边 gas 有很多意思，这样没问题。那这边的 gas 指的是什么？还是你用石油烧？瓦斯嘛，瓦斯跟天然气都有可能，所以我们知道 gas burning stove. What is a stove? Yes, very good. A stove is something you burn a fire on it and then you put something on it. 有一个炉灶或炉子都可以。So gas burning stove, what does it run at? 要用什么来让它运作？啊 ？Use a fire, but beside fire, we use gas. And what exactly are we using in the gas? 天然气还有瓦斯 ，OK 吗？我们主要是用天然气跟瓦斯。So it's a hot pot. That's okay. All right, let's move on to the next one. Is an electric kettle. All right, repeat after me, please. Electric kettle. So, what is electric means? Yes, very good. It's somehow related to electricity, 跟电有关的 electric. And then, what is kettle? Kettle. 对壶，或者是你们做茶壶也都是 kettle， is that okay？ 不要拼错，有些人会拼 castle， 我们就 castle，OK， 它听起来不一样。So this is an electric kettle. What does an electric kettle do? What does an electric kettle do? It can Okay, it can keep the water hot and also it can heat up the water. Very good, both of you. Right. So the main purpose of an electric kettle is to heat up water. Okay, so you can have a hot water to drink. Not too hot, okay? You might burn yourself. Right, let's move on to the next one. What is this? Micro and then microwave. Is that okay? Micro means very, very small, and then wave means somehow can be something like this. A wave is something like this. Yeah. If it is about electric and magnetic, we can call it electromagnetic wave. And if it's not, then there's some other ways can do it. It's hard. There's many kinds of wave. One of them is called electromagnetic wave. And inside the electromagnetic wave, there's some wave that's called, there's some wave we call microwave. Is that okay? Way too hard, okay? And what does microwave do? It can make the food hotter, okay? If your food gone cold, then you can put the food inside the microwave and then make it hot. Very good. All right, let's move on. Please raise your hand right now. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Now rub your hand. And what do you feel? Rub your hand. What do you feel? You feel hot or do you feel cold? No. If you're feeling cold, then you're probably rubbing too hard. Right? All right. Now stop. So, what happened if you rub your hand? What happened? Okay, it can be hot, but what is rubbing your hand making it hotter? Yes, very good. If you are rubbing your hand, there's something called friction. 这叫摩擦，摩擦又叫 friction。我把它写下来 ，friction。All right, it's something called friction. All right, go on, write it down. Okay. All right, it is called friction. So if you are rubbing your hand, you're feeling kind of hot. It is mainly because of. Right, one more time, I hear someone, but I need every one of you to know. If I'm rubbing my hand and I'm feeling kind of hot, it is mainly because of friction. Thank you, very good. Alright, you already rubbed your hand. You already did. Now, let's have, what are you doing? Now, let's have a quick review. What do you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture? Light, sunlight, okay, very good. There's sunlight, and then what do you see in this picture? A hot pot, and then what is under the hot pot? Fire, alright? Yes. Gas. Dun, 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 dun. Gas. Burning stove, okay? Now, this is sunlight. This is gas burning stove. And what is this? Oh, okay. There's two guys standing there. And then yes, very good. They are rubbing their hand, and what is making it hot? Friction, very good. All right? Is everyone okay? All right, let's move on. Now, there is a group task, but I'm not going to let you do it, okay? It may be a little bit too difficult for you guys. So, no, skip, no, skip. Now, there's a key direction lesson 2, and there's a quick review. I'm not going to do it, so I'll have you play Kahoot. Is that okay? Okay. All right. Now, row will have a tablet. 每一排一个 ，OK 吗？一排一个。Now, each row will have one tablet, and then you can decide whether you are going to be using the tablet. Is that okay? Yeah. Everyone good? Now let's get going. Now the game here is, now everyone eyes on me. Alright, now eyes on me. Alright, thank you. Now the game pin is 4461999. Okay, 99. Now everyone there, I got one more group. Now everyone, please make sure your Wi-Fi is connected to Deco X20 number 2. Is that okay? Please make sure your Wi-Fi is connected to Deco X20 number 2. Because number 1 is down there and Nature D is at the 2nd floor, not at the 4th floor. What is someone opening a window? Yeah. the ice cream melt? All right. It is the high temperature. All right. Is that okay?
Okay.
It's not magic. All right. Let's move on to the second one. What can raise the temperature at a campsite on a cold day? Sorry, but you guys have blocked the camera. All right. You can make a campfire by the campsite. Sorry, but you guys are blocking the camera. Okay? The camera is behind you, okay? Now, what can raise the temperature at a campsite on a cold day? So it is a campfire, is that okay? You cannot use an electric kettle to warm up a whole campsite. You can only warm up your drink. Good? All right, let's move on. Now the third one, what can raise the temperature of a room from cold to hot? Alright, what can raise the temperature of a room from cold to hot? Everyone eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
Everyone eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
Okay. Now, what? Good. Now, we are using an electric heater to heat up the whole room. If you are using a blanket or blankets, can you heat up the whole room? Can you? If you are using blanket. No, okay? So the blanket can keep you warm, but cannot heat up the whole room. Is that okay? Is that clear? Good. Now, the fourth one, where should you leave the metal ladles? Okay, very good. You should leave it on the table so you won't burn your hand or you won't burn yourself. Alright? On the table, not on the floor. And not in the sauce. Where's the sauce? Alright, let's move on to the fifth one. Now, what is conduction? What is conduction? Right, very good. Now, what is conduction? What is conduction? All right, very good. 43, 42, 48. All right, now one more group. Now, energy transfers. If you are roasting marshmallows on a campfire, is it convection or radiation? Or is it convection?
Radiation.
Yeah, it's radiation, so it is not conduction. Is that okay?
Okay.
All right. Now the second one, the sun is shining on Earth. It is because of radiation. Is it? Yes, very good. If the sun is shining on Earth, it is. All right, everyone, eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
Eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
All right. If the sun is shining on Earth, it is because of radiation. Is that okay?
Okay.
All right, let's move on. Next one. When you're touching a hot kettle, it is because of convection. False, is that okay?
Okay.
And it is because of, if it is not convection, what is it?
Convection.
Very good, it is conduction. All right, let's move on. For the fourth one, if you're stepping on hot sand, it is because of radiation. Okay. Is that about signals? Wi-Fi signals. All right. If you are stepping on hot sand, it is because of what?
Convection.
Yes, very good. Also conduction. All right. I think that's enough. Now, everyone, please close your Kahoot and then close out the tablet and hand it to me. Close your Kahoot and hand your tablet to me. All right, thank you. All right, thank you. All right, thank you. Thank you. All right, thank you. Now, is there any questions? No? Okay. Your next lesson will be next Thursday. Is that okay? If there's nothing else, then class dismissed. All right, thank you, everyone.
Thank you, teacher.
Yeah.